Reactions of Grignard's reagent. YCA alcohols preparation, carbonyl compounds preparations, carboxylic acid, in all cases preparation methods are there from Grignard's reagent. So especially they are asking questions from Grignard's reagent every year in mains and advance. So better you have to learn that what is reactions of Grignard's reagent separately. Indirectly, these are preparation methods of alcohols, carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acid, derivatives of carboxylic acid. All will cover in this one. So better you have to learn separate reactions of Grignard's reagent as a separate chapter. So first what actual after alkyl halide, this topic you have to learn, and then alcohols preparation, ethers, like you have to learn. So reactions of Grignard's reagent. So reactions of Grignard's reagent you have to learn. First, how to prepare Grignard's reagent. What are the uses of Grignard's reagent, meaning how to prepare other compound from Grignard's reagent. And this one topic, and diazonium compound, diazotization and diazonium chloride is formed, no? From that one also different compounds can be prepared. Very important. So first of all, what do you mean the Grignard's reagent? And other compounds how to prepare from Grignard's reagent you have to learn. So here, first preparation method of Grignard's reagent, and then properties of Grignard's reagent. The what do you mean that Grignard's reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. So this Grignard's reagent is what is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. This we can write as alkyl group, we can write as CnH2n plus 1 bond Mg magnesium bond X. This alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. But how to prepare? This can be prepared from alkyl halides. So preparation method is what are that here. Alkyl halides reacts with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Any metal organic compound reactions, any reaction, organic compound reaction with metals are taken, generally dry ethers you have to take. It acts as solvent but not catalyst. So what are that here? Alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in dry ether. This is non-polar solvent. If water is taken, like polar solvents, water is taken, these metals like magnesium, sodium first react with water but not alkyl halide. So non-polar solvent, dry ether should be taken in this process. At the time this alkyl halide magnesium undergoing to addition reaction. Why magnesium Lnc2? Here it dissociates as alkyl plus ion and halogen minus ion. First negative ion and partially positive, partially negative. This one combined with magnesium, only one valency. At the time this also become as alkyl minus ion and forms are what are that here? Alkyl magnesium halide, which is called as Grignard's reagent. The alkyl may be anyone, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, anyone you can take. So alkyl magnesium halide is formed, that is called as Grignard's reagent. This Grignard's reagent is used to prepare alkanes, alcohols, carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, like so many compounds can be prepared from this method. If you are perfect in this topic, Second year organic compounds, all preparation methods will cover. All means from Grignard's reagent in each lesson, one preparation method is there. So examples, what instead of alkyl methyl group is taken. Methyl chloride reacts with magnesium metal. In presence of dry ether, always non-polar solvent should be taken. If polar solvent like water is taken, metal immediately react with this one, can't react with alkyl halide. So dry ether you have to take and forms methyl magnesium chloride. This also common Grignard's reagent. Any alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. Here halogen is what? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here X is chlorine or bromine or iodine, but not fluorine. Like ethyl chloride is taken or ethyl bromide, CH3CH2Cl. Reaction with magnesium metal. In presence of dry ether, it gives ethyl magnesium chloride. This also called as Grignard's reagent. Not only normal aliphatic alkyl halides, aromatic alkyl halide, phenyl chloride you can take, or cyclic alkyl halide we can take. For example, cyclopentyl bromide is taken. Cyclopentyl bromide, when treated with the magnesium metal, in presence of dry ether, it forms cyclopentyl magnesium bromide. Cyclopentyl is formed, magnesium bromide is obtained. This also called as what is Grignard's reagent. Cyclopentyl. If phenyl chloride or phenyl bromide, meaning on benzene ring bromine is taken, that is aryl halide is taken, that also can form the Grignard's reagent. It is preparation method. From this Grignard's reagent, different compounds how to prepare, you have to learn. First write that notes. Heading write reactions of Grignard's reagent. Reactions of Grignard's reagent.
Sir,
చెప్పు.
సార్ అక్కడ లాస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి పొజిషన్ కూడా మారుతుందా?
దేనికి?
లాస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి మీరు రాశారు కదా, లాస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అక్కడ బ్రోమిన్ పొజిషన్
ఇక్కడ బ్రోమిన్ పొజిషన్ ఎందుకు మారిందమ్మా? ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయితే అక్కడనే ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఈడ నుంచి నెంబరింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఇక్కడ సైక్లిక్ మీన్ ఈడు ఉంటే ఈ నుంచి నెంబరింగ్ ఏవా, ఇక్కడ నుంచే ఇస్తావా? ఎప్పుడు always you have to give the numbering from substitute onwards, no? Here 1 2 3 4, now start that numbering 1 2 3 4 5. Understood?
Yes sir.
Come on, right. First write that heading, reactions of Grignard's reagent. Now alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is called as Grignard's reagent. Now write this formula. Alkyl RMgX or CnH2n plus 1 bond Mg bond X, where X is equal chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now after that, subheading write preparation method. Subheading write preparation method. Write statement. Alkyl halides react with magnesium metal. Alkyl halides react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Alkyl halides react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether to form to form alkyl magnesium halide, to form alkyl magnesium halide, which is called as Grignard's reagent. To form alkyl magnesium halide, which is called as Grignard's reagent. Now copy down these reactions. Now right here, one more example. For example, phenyl bromide. On benzene ring, bromine is present. This is phenyl bromide. This also we can write as PHBr. PHB means phenyl bromide. If treated with the magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, here also what addition reaction take part means magnesium inserted between phenyl and bromine. Phenyl magnesium bromide is obtained. This also called as what? Grignard's reagent, but name phenyl magnesium bromide. This we can write as what? PHMgBr. The pH indicates what? Phenyl, not big H. If this one is indicate what here? Acidic strength of acid. That small h is written, that indicates phenyl. Come on, copy it. Now, this preparation method of different Grignard's reagent, different compound, different alkyl groups. Now, properties of Grignard's reagent. The first one, the properties is taken. First one, preparation of alkanes. Already we learnt in that alkane chapter. These alkyl halides react with magnesium metal and forms Grignard's reagent, and then immediately Grignard's reagent is treated with any proton donor, means any Bronsted acid. It gives alkanes. That meaning Grignard's reagent reacts with any proton donor like water, that is any Bronsted acid. It gives alkane. Example, see, alkyl magnesium halide Grignard's reagent is taken. It reacts with any proton donor, I am telling. It reacts with any proton donor means, for example, water is taken. So water is taken, what will happen here? It acts as Bronsted acid. It dissociates as H plus ion, OH minus. This proton donor. Like any one alcohol, alkynes containing triple bond at first position, terminal position, that meaning which contain acid hydrogen, carboxylic acid, liquid ammonia, amines, mean which gives H plus ion, reacts with Grignard's reagent and forms alkane. Generally in textbooks what here? Grignard's reagent on hydrolysis gives alkane. statement they will give. But here water can act as proton donor, so that instead of water you can take any proton donor like alcohols. ROH is taken. This also what? RO minus H plus ion. Alkynes containing triple bond at terminal position. This is acid hydrogen. According to GOC conditions, S percentage of carbon is more. As increase of S percentage of carbon, acidic character increase. So alkynes contain triple bond at terminal position is containing acid hydrogen. It dissociates as what? RC triple bond C minus and H plus ion. Like carboxylic acid also you can take, or C double bond O OH. Here this also acid hydrogen proton donor, RCOO minus H plus ion. Liquid ammonia. This liquid ammonia can act as what here? Bronsted acid, NH2 minus H plus ion. Not only that, primary secondary amines also, or NH2 is taken. So here liquid ammonia also taken. This I will write next. Here RMGX react with any proton donor. That proton combined with that alkyl minus, Mg plus combined with negative ion of this proton donor and forms different product. So here alkyl minus Mg plus, this alkyl minus combined with H plus ion forms RH. Here also RH. Not this alkyl, this alkyl. Only this type of compounds are taken. The Grignard's reagent converting into alkane means alkyl group present in Grignard's reagent will be converted into alkane, but alkyl groups present in reagents cannot be converted into alkane. Only this reagent can act as proton donor, means they can donate H plus ion, but alkyl groups present in this reagent cannot be converted into alkane. Always alkyl group which present in Grignard's reagent. Why? Sometimes different alkyl groups they will give. For example, here R-OH is given. R-O minus means different alkyl. Here alkyl different. At the time only this alkyl group which is present in Grignard's reagent will be converted into alkane. Which is present in reagent cannot be converted into alkane. These can act as proton donor only and donate H plus ion and combine with alkyl minus ion present in Grignard's reagent and forms alkane. So RH, RH, RH. RH meaning is what? Alkane. Alkyl is what? CnH2n plus 1 nana. Bond H. That means overall CnH2n plus 2. That is alkane. But byproducts different. MgX react with OH minus ion and forms MgX bond OH. It is called as hydroxy magnesium halide. And this one, alkoxy group combined with this second part and forms alkoxy magnesium halide. And here alkanide combined, C triple bond Cr combined, alkanide magnesium halide, and carboxy magnesium halide is formed by product. O C double bond O R. Here NH2, amino magnesium halide is formed. Amine group NH2 combined. But instead of NH3, RNH2 amine also you can take. Or RNH2 amines also you can take. If amines are taken, this dissociate as RNH minus H plus ion. At the time here RNH combined with magnesium. So anyhow, the Grignard's reagent reacts with any proton donor like water and gives alkane. In this process, only the alkyl group which is present in Grignard's reagent will be converted into alkane, but alkyl group present in reagent cannot be converted into alkane. So based on this statement, Questions they will ask in stoichiometry also, which gas is liberated you have to recognize, and how much liberated you have to write based on balanced equation, stoichiometry problems. And particularly options they will give: methane, ethane, propane, that is alkyl of this one or alkyl of this one converted into alkane, you have to recognize, and then you have to select that answer. Come on, write examples, I will tell that. First properties, first one. Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent Grignard's reagent reacts with any proton donor. Grignard's reagent reacts with any proton donor like water, to form alkanes. No, right. Next point, right? The alkyl group present in Grignard's reagent. The alkyl group present in Grignard's reagent will be converted into alkane in this process. Alkyl group present in Grignard's reagent will be converted into alkane in this process, but not alkyl group present in reagents. Now copy down these reactions. I will tell examples. Come on, fast. It's over now.
So what is the byproduct of third one called?
Alkanide magnesium halide. Alkanide.
Okay, sir. How?
Now next, examples. The examples of alkane preparation. For example, what are that here? Methyl magnesium bromide, reacts with ethyl alcohol is taken. So small confusion is what they will ask here. Methyl magnesium bromide reaction with ethyl alcohol gives what? So options what they will give. First option ethane, second option methane, like propane, butane, like they will ask. But confusion is what? This ethyl this ethyl will convert into alkane, ethane octane. If this one will be converted into alkane, methane octane. But what I told the statement, always the alkyl group present in Grignard's reaction will be converted into alkane, but not reagent. Here ethyl alcohol can act as only proton donor. It gives C2H5O minus and H plus ion. This H plus ion combined with methyl group and forms methane gas. And second product, byproduct is what here? Ethoxy magnesium bromide is obtained. That is OC2H5 is obtained. So what here? Ethoxy magnesium bromide and methane is obtained. Methyl magnesium bromide gives methane. For example, what are that here? Cyclopentyl MgI. If treated with water, here water also can act as proton donor. It dissociates as H plus ions and OH minus ion. MgI replaced by H plus ion and forms cyclopentane plus MgIOH. Hydroxy magnesium iodide is obtained. Like different alkanes, any alkanes, ethyl, here only what are the Grignard's reaction. Sometimes, for example, I will take secondary propyl bromide. If treated with magnesium metal in dry ether, it gives A. A again on hydrolysis gives B, step by step. So first secondary propyl bromide or isopropyl bromide, when treated with magnesium, just it is inserted between alkyl and bromine. So secondary propyl magnesium bromide is obtained, or isopropyl magnesium bromide. It reacts with water and undergoes into hydrolysis. It acts as proton donor. So what will happen here? Propane is obtained, means MgBr replaced by hydrogen, only propane, normal propane is obtained, that is B. Byproduct, nobody can ask you, byproduct is what here? Same as it is, hydroxy magnesium bromide is obtained. So this we can write as what is? CH3, CH2, CH3, and propane is obtained. Right. Note down that examples. Yeah, it's over now. Now this is alkanes preparation. Now second condition, alcohols preparation. Alcohols preparations very important. Why? in alcohols classification, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, three types of alcohols are there. All these three types of alcohols can be prepared by this method. Means from Grignard's reagent, all the three types of alcohols can be prepared. First general reaction I will tell that how to prepare alcohols. In that, from primary compounds how to prepare, from primary alcohols how to prepare, secondary alcohols how to prepare, step by step you have to learn. So first what happens here, Grignard's reagent reacts with any carbonyl compound. First step, Grignard's reagent reacts with any carbonyl compound, that is first step, and forms reaction intermediate, turbidity, and then immediately it undergoes into hydrolysis and forms alkane. The carbonyl compounds meaning is what, Nana? Aldehydes or ketones. So RMGX reacts with, first step I am telling, reacts with any carbonyl compounds, means RC double bond O HRR. Here RC double bond O H is taken up to this part, aldehyde. Instead of HR is taken RCOR, ketone. Here either HRR we have to take, that aldehyde or ketone. When treated with the Grignard's reagent, in this Grignard's reagent, magnesium partially positive, alkyl group partially negative because of less electronegativity of magnesium and more electropositivity. Alkyl means carbon, comparatively magnesium more electronegativity, so it gets partially negative. Generally carbonyl compounds nature is what? Nucleophilic addition according to electromeric effect. Here what will happen, carbonyl compound RC double bond O HRR is taken. Here it is partially negative because of more electronegativity. Functional group carbon is what? Partially positive. So at the time this negative ion attacking alkyl minus ion of Grignard's reagent, not alkyl of this. These alkyls can't involve, this alkyl only involve. The alkyl of Grignard's reagent is negative ion nucleophile. It's combined with positive carbon. At the time this pi electron shifting toward this side. So 100% negative charge obtained, immediately negative charge combined with magnesium. So this is what nucleophilic addition, first nucleophile negative ion of reactant combined with that functional group carbon which is positive, and pi bond shifting here because of electromeric effect, and magnesium immediately combined, means first nucleophile combined and then electrophile combined. So first nucleophile attacking on this one, that's why it is called as nucleophilic addition. Carbonyl compounds generally undergo into nucleophilic addition. So this nucleophile of Grignard's reagent attacking on this carbon, functional group carbon, immediately these pi electrons shifting toward this side because pi electrons are weak, pi bond weak. So at the time it is getting negative charge, this is partially negative, this is partially positive already. Again this negative ion attacking on the magnesium. So what will happen here, or COMGX is obtained, and this alkyl group combined here. Here HRR is already present. This one same, only this part involved pi bond breaking, alkyl minus ion combined. This compound unstable, immediately water is added, second step. This compound undergoes into hydrolysis, that is H plus ions and OH minus ion. But here O bond between oxygen and magnesium weak because ionic nature is there. This maximum covalent character, here maximum ionic character. Ionic character bond easily breaking in chemical reaction, comparatively covalent bonds. So the bond breaking between what here magnesium and oxygen, at the time what here H plus ion combined with oxygen, OH minus ion combined with magnesium, and forms compounds. What are that here? Here RC bond R, HRR is taken. Here OH, byproduct is what here? Magnesium OXOH, that is hydroxy magnesium halide is formed, not required. Here OH group is obtained, alcohol. So this one alkyl, this one alkyl, this one alkyl means here ketone is taken. Again this alkyl combined. 3 alkyl groups are attached to functional group carbon, that is tertiary. If aldehyde is taken, here H is taken. This alkyl, only 2 alkyl groups will get secondary alcohol. Like primary alcohols also you can prepare. So same reaction mechanism, same compound. How to prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, that you have to learn. So for example, first based on general reaction, primary alcohols, 1 degree alcohols I am telling. Primary alcohols preparation, what will happen here? Here Grignard's reagent RMGX only you have to take. RMGX Grignard's reagent when treated with formaldehyde means methanol only, both side hydrogen, alkyl group is taken H, this alkyl group also taken H, HCHO, formaldehyde or methanol. Instead of formaldehyde, cyclic ethers also we can take. Cyclic ethers means instead of carbonyl compound, cyclic ethers, oxidants also you can take, which are functional isomers to carbonyl compounds. So here same mechanism, negative ion partially negative, here partially positive. This negative ion combined with this one, pi electron shifting toward this side, oxygen combined with magnesium. What we can write here? H C bond R bond H, OMgX is formed. X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, anyone. Followed by hydrolysis is taken, water is added. Here it dissociates as H plus ions and OH minus. H plus ion combined with oxygen, bond breaking. This R I am writing this side. R bond C. This R written left side, HH. And this O combined with H plus ion and forms OH. This is nothing but what are that, Nana? RCH2OH. If functional group carbon is attached to only one alkyl group, then it is called as primary alcohol. Like primary alcohols can be prepared by this method. Like secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohols we can prepare, and instead of this carbonyl compound, oxidants, that is cyclic ethers also we can use, which are functional isomers to carbonyl compounds. Come on, right first.
Sir, in the second step means we should add a reagent which can supply H plus ion.
Yeah, generally H plus ion.
Okay. Sir.
Grignard's reagent. Second one, subheading preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard's reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent react with carbonyl compounds. Grignard's reagent react with carbonyl compounds and then undergoing to hydrolysis. To form alcohols. Come on, right? Again I will tell the statement. Grignard's reagent react with carbonyl compounds and then hydrolysis gives alcohols. Come on, right? First only general reaction. This general reaction, right? First only general reaction, right? First one. and then write. Now write primary alcohols. Subheading write primary alcohol preparation. Grignard's reagent react with Grignard's reagent react with formaldehyde. Grignard's reagent react with formaldehyde. In bracket write methanol. In bracket write methanol. And then undergoes into hydrolysis. And then undergoes into hydrolysis. And then undergoes into hydrolysis to form primary alcohols. To form primary alcohols. Come on, note down this general equation. Examples I will tell. Right, primary alcohols examples here Anna. For example, methyl magnesium bromide, first react with formaldehyde. It forms what are that here? CH3 minus combined here, Mg combined here, pi electron shifting toward this side, HC bond O MgX or MgBr, bond here methyl instead of alkyl and H. Then hydrolysis is taken. Here bond will break, H plus ion combined here, CH3, this becomes CH2. This CH3 is written here. This is CH2. These two hydrogens and carbon. Oxygen combined with H plus ion of water and forms ethyl alcohol. Like you have to write down reactions. Questions they will give like H plus ion or water. Now, after completion of this one, CNM, first step, cyclopentyl bromide react with magnesium metal. First step, it forms cyclopentyl magnesium bromide which is called as Grignard's reagent. It is preparation of Grignard's reagent. And second step, it react with formaldehyde and nucleophilic addition of aldehydes possible. This is carbon minus cyclopentyl carbon minus Mg plus. So what will happen here? This one combined, cyclopentyl combined here, bond CH OMGBr is obtained. Then followed by hydrolysis is taken. H plus ion combined with oxygen of compound. Here finally cyclopentyl CH2OH is formed. This is called as cyclopentyl methanol. IUPAC name cyclopentyl methanol, not cyclopentyl alcohol. Cyclopentyl you have to consider as substance. Cyclopentyl methanol, IUPAC name. Now this we can write as what is PHBr, phenyl magnesium bromide. The first product when treated with the bromine, phenyl magnesium bromide is obtained. This pH indicates benzene ring, phenyl group C6H5. Again second step, what react with formaldehyde HC double bond OH. So phenyl group combined here, HC bond H, here phenyl group, bond OMGBr. The next what will happen here, hydrolysis, here O minus MgBr, pH phenyl group, bond CH2OH. That is benzyl alcohol, not phenol. Phenol means direct OH should attach with benzene ring. That is phenol aromatic. Phenyl CH2OH, this total group is called as benzyl. Benzene ring with CH2 called as benzyl. The benzyl alcohol. Note down fast. Now see it. Secondary alcohols preparation. Same general reaction is same. Grignard's reagent react with carbonyl compound and then hydrolysis gives alcohols. That selection of carbonyl compound important. Selection of carbonyl compounds, only formaldehyde is taken, primary alcohols obtained. That may be methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, any one primary alcohols obtained. Here, now secondary alcohols preparation. In this what Grignard's reagent reacts with any aldehyde except formaldehyde or C double bond OH. This is formaldehyde means instead of this alkyl also H is present, HCHO. That is primary alcohol preparation. Here Grignard's reagent reacts with any other aldehydes except formaldehyde and then hydrolysis gives secondary alcohols. How same mechanism, here also nucleophilic addition, it is partially positive, partially negative. This alkyl minus sign combine here because of negative charge, here positive charge, here partially positive, again negative. So pi electron shifting toward this side and oxygen combined with magnesium. So this alkyl combine, already alkyl is there, C, again alkyl combine, OMGX is obtained here, H present one side. Now hydrolysis is taken, followed by hydrolysis. Here it gives H plus ions and OH minus. So now what will happen here? H plus ion combined with O minus ion, or bond CH, or as it is CH, or bond OH. That is RCH or OH, secondary alcohol. Why? Carbon attached to two other alkyl group, OH present on secondary carbon. Carbon attached to two other alkyl groups is called as secondary carbon. Function group present on secondary carbon, then it is called as secondary alcohol. 2-degree alcohols are secondary alcohols. So now what is that examples here? Here methyl is taken, 2-propanol is obtained. For example, same we can take or different also we can take here alkyl groups. CH3 MgBr when treated with acetaldehyde, ethanol IUPAC name, acetaldehyde common name. This methyl group combine here, Mg combined with oxygen, already CH3 is there, bond CH3 OMgBr and H. Here followed by hydrolysis supplied, here H plus ion, O minus ion come out. So CH3, CH write as it is, adding, and this CH3 beside writing, beside of that carbon, bond OH. This is what 2-propanol IUPAC name, common name, secondary propyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. First reaction with magnesium metal, and second acetaldehyde, C double bond OH. మళ్ళీ కిందికి రాసిన నేను C double bond OH or below C double bond OH, meaning same aldehyde only. And third condition, hydrolysis. Come on, write first statement, right? Grignard's reagent react with aldehydes except formaldehyde, aldehydes except formaldehyde, aldehydes except formaldehyde, and then undergoing to hydrolysis, and then undergoing to hydrolysis to form secondary alcohols. To form secondary alcohols. Come on, copy these two reactions and try this fast. So now here secondary butyl bromide, 2-bromobutane IUPAC name, secondary butyl bromide common name, react with magnesium metal and forms secondary butyl magnesium bromide. Again, it reacts with acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH. So the secondary butyl ester is attacking on this carbon. So now CH3 right, C bond O MgBr H, secondary butyl attacking on this carbon. The secondary butyl attacking on this carbon. And then hydrolysis. So what will happen? OMGBr bond breaking, H plus ion combined with oxygen. So now CH3 CH. Now secondary butyl right ester bond OH. Now the compound IUPAC name will change. This one, what are that here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second portion OH function group, third portion methyl. 3-methyl 2-pentanol is octet. IUPAC name 3-methyl 2-pentanol is octet. Come on, next tertiary. After the tertiary preparation, I will tell some examples. I will give some questions. A tertiary alcohol preparation. Here, any Grignard's reagent react with ketones. Carbonyl compounds means aldehydes or ketones. It may be cyclic aldehyde, cyclic ketones, or any one. The Grignard's reagent meaning is Grignard's reagent react with carbonyl compound means either aldehydes or ketones. First two cases aldehydes I told. In that first one only formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol preparation any aldehydes except formaldehyde. Tertiary alcohols ketones you have to take any ketone. Here no condition. So Grignard's reagent reacts with ketone or C double bond O R. Here also same function group only involved in the reaction Anna. Alkyl minus ion combine here. O minus ion combine with magnesium. This pi electron shifting towards oxygen because of more electronegativity. So here this pi electron shifting toward this side. And it forms what are that here RC bond R bond R bond OMGX is obtained. After that hydrolysis is taken. Here H plus ions and OH minus ion. Here O minus Mg plus bond breaking. Oxygen combined with H plus ion and forms tertiary alcohol. RC bond R, that is tertiary alcohol is obtained in that. Here all three alkyl groups may be same or may be different. Here alkyl groups attached to functional group carbon may be same or may be different, but carbon attached to three other carbons or alkyl groups is called as tertiary carbon. If functional group is present on tertiary carbon, then it is called as tertiary alcohol. So examples. Example what alkyl group, all methyl groups you can take, that is CH3 MgBr. Different also you can take none. Acetone CH3C double bond O CH3. When treated with this Grignard's reagent, it forms CH3 bond C O MgBr this side CH3 and this side CH3 is there. Again it undergoes into hydrolysis. Here O minus and MgBr bond breaking and form CH3 C bond OH bond CH3 CH3. Same process. 2-methyl 2-propanol iupactane. Tertiary butyl alcohol 3 degree. You can write 3 degree or tertiary like. Tertiary butyl alcohol common name. IUPAC name 2-methyl 2-propanol. Like tertiary alcohols can be prepared here, may be same or may be different, or phenyl groups may be present instead of alkyl, but aromatic alcohols will not get none. Aromatic alcohol means OH direct attached with benzene ring. Here direct OH attachment with benzene ring not possible. So direct aromatic alcohols we can't prepare. That is aliphatic alcohol. With phenyl substituent you can prepare. Come on, write. Tertiary alcohol preparation. Grignard's reagent react with ketone. Grignard's reagent react with ketone and then undergoes into hydrolysis. To form tertiary alcohols, and then undergoes into hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohols. Again I will repeat. Grignard's reagent react with ketone and then undergoes into hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohols. Come on, note down this one. Come on, write fast. I will write some questions. You people have to write answers. Only primary, secondary, tertiary, all. Correct type and definite statement. Alright, now I will express here. Cyclopentyl magnesium chloride react with formaldehyde. That is cyclopentyl bond C bond O MgCl. Here bondage same CH right as it is. O written here. Cyclopentyl attached with this carbon MgCl. Followed by hydrolysis is taken. This bond will break. Cyclopentyl methanol is obtained. I think already I told this example in first reaction. Now methyl bromide react with magnesium metal in dry ether. Okay, now first copy down that. I will write this answers about that reaction. Is over now. Yeah, now here methyl bromide react with magnesium metal to form A. A is what are that Nana? Now you are writing A. A is equal to methyl magnesium bromide. This A react with first benzaldehyde. Here benzaldehyde bond C double bond O H. Methyl group combine here. So now what are that here? Benzyl group C bond H right this side. Bond breaking. Here methyl group combine. One side methyl group combine, one side MgBr combine. Again phenyl group as it is, H as it is, OCH3, OMgBr. Here instead of O pi bond breaking, CH3 MgBr combine. Now hydrolysis is taken. Phenyl group present as it is. Bond CH, 1 CH3 OH. That is 1 phenyl, 1 ethanol. Phenyl you have to take as substance. 1 phenyl, 1 ethanol. This is substance. 1 phenyl, 1 ethanol you have to write. That is second reaction. Right, next one what? Here X is what? Below magnesium metal in dry ether is written above reaction. So X is what here? X is equal what is cyclopentyl magnesium bromide. Here this bromine I will write here, no change in position. Where substance is present, from that onwards you have to give numbering. So what are that here? MgBr is obtained. Now what are that it reacts with? PHC bond, acetophenone, CH3PH and CO is here, acetophenone, phenyl methyl ketone or acetophenone, cyclopentyl combine here. Here pH as it is, C bond O MgBr is obtained here, bond cyclopentyl and here CH3. Now on hydrolysis, here bond will break and OH combine here. Now what are that here? pH, C bond OH, here cyclopentyl bond CH3. 1 phenyl, 1 cyclopentyl ethanol. Copy it.